you like my video. So in today's video, I am showing you different method that you can achieve your knotless braid. And there is different method that you can use. It's the same effect, but different way. And for some of you who have problem holding the braid or getting a really good grip of the braid, this might be very helpful for you. If you look at what I'm doing, you will see. I will try to explain it, but I also don't want to confuse the explanation. So for me, I learn by watching. I'm not sure if you're the same, if you're here, but if you watch over and over, you will get it. So basically, the first method I will show you here is how you're going to use the same 3 pieces of braid, or you're going to start with 1 piece of braid. As you will start with 1 piece of braid, and you will use that as your anchor braid. And as you are feeding on, you will hold that with another piece of the braid on it. So what you would do as you hold it on, as you see I'm doing here, you will go ahead as if you're braiding. You will do 1, hold it on that 1 piece, then you will add piece of braid in it and add the rest of it. That might be complicated for some of you, but that's another way that can give you a really good grip on the braid. So you have a better grip on it, so that when you braid, your hair will not be sliding or slipping out and you said, oh, I can't grip, and it doesn't have the grip. That's one way that you can do it. You can go ahead and watch this video again for a better definition of how it is done. And the second way is that you can just divide the hair into 3 pieces, as you see I'm doing here, into 3 pieces. And with those 3 pieces, you're going to start braiding as if you're braiding the hair. So when I say as if you're braiding the hair, if you're already a braider, you know what it means. Or even though you have basic knowledge of it, you know what it means. So you're going to basically have 3 strands of hair. With those 3 strands of hair, what you're going to do, you're going to start braiding the hair as if you're braiding, right? So 1, 2, 3. You're going to start braiding 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to add a piece of hair. And you want to make that hair not too thick, not too big, right? Not too thick, not too thin. And you're going to braid again 1, 2 before you add another piece. And you braid again 1, 2 before you add the 3rd piece. And or the 3rd strand, however you may want to term it. And you just keep braiding. And remember, when you flip your hands, it's like if you're doing an underneath braid, right? As you can see how I hold it. But everybody hold it differently. But all you want to do is to get the same smoothness and the same uniform look all the way to the end. So guys, that's just basically it. That's just basically what I am doing. And as you join in the hair, that would be another video to show you how you can join the hair and get it to look really, really smooth. And if you want to see that video, let me know, and I will try my best to do a detailed video on how that is done. All right. So remember to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and you have yourself a wonderful and a blessed day.